Looking for the best oil misters? In this video we look at some of the top 3 oil misters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Home Delighted Premium Olive Oil Mister and Cooking Sprayer. Pros: the spray on this mister works very well. Does not tend to get caught up with air bubbles like others. Stainless steel lid on glass. Sprays like an aerosol can, but only uses air pressure to do it. Easy to prime. Bottle is a decent size. Cons: this product is called large capacity, but 10.4 ounces is not as much as some other misters. Bottom line: a large capacity wide-mouthed oil mister that does a good job of providing an even spray. At number 2. CHUANGSIxx Olive Oil Sprayer. Pros: made from stainless steel and glass. Sprays easily. A nice amount of mist. Easy to pump. Works well for spraying on salads. Solid thick pump button for spraying. Can also be used with vinegar or wine for salads. Cons: the glass bottle can break when dropped. Bottom line: a good price on a decent oil mister in a glass bottle. At number 1. Delta Evo Oil Sprayer Bottle. Pros: bottle holds up to 16 ounces of oil. Stainless steel bottle keeps your oil from being affected by the sunlight. Can be used with several different types of oils, vinegar, juice, or wine. Sprays consistently. Dip tube extends nicely to the edge of the bottle. Cons: you need to learn how to use the trigger to get the misting function to work properly. It is not 100% intuitive, but works well if you do it right. Bottom line: a large capacity oil sprayer with a trigger handle that is easy to use and does not have to be pumped for pressure. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.